Wednesday morning, everybody. This is Dave with Nomadic Traveling, and we just finished up our house sit in Fort Myers, Florida. And today is Wednesday, December 27th, 2023. And we're on our way to Scott Regional Preserve and Park for 3 nights of camping before we head off to our last Florida house sitting, and then we head back to Texas. That'll be January 7th. So, yeah, we're going to do a little camping, and then we're going to head back to Texas. Anyways, right now it's pretty nice out. It's a little bit after 8 o'clock in the morning, 63 degrees in Fort Myers, heading to Scott Regional Preserve, which is just southeast of Orlando, Florida, for your information. All right, let's put you on road cam for a little bit. Well, it's a little after 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're all set up. Took about an hour and a half. We're getting better and better. But this is the primitive camping area, tents only, well, RVs. And since I was here a couple weeks ago, I brought 2 brand new picnic tables. So that's pretty nice. Got my e-bike out. We're going to do a little ride and drop off some deer corn at one of the trail cams, and it just was triggered by a buck, so we may wait a little bit. But anyways, we've got the tent set up. We've got rain that's supposed to be moving in about 2 in the morning, and it's supposed to last until 2 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow. So it's not that much rain, but they said a total of 1/4 to 1/2 inch. But that's a lot better than what it was a couple weeks ago when we got 3.5 inches. But yeah, it's home sweet home for the next 3 nights. I'll give you a little quick tour. The screen house here in the front is all set up with the table and chair. May need the heater a little bit later. And we've got our queen size bed all blown up. The sleeping bag and pillows are on top, ready to go. And I've got my power stations in here, all ready to go, powering everything up. And if we got a rainy day tomorrow, we'll be all right. We've got everything inside here that we can cook our food inside. But we're gonna go for a little e-bike ride now, and we'll take you along for a little bit. All right, gonna go on a little ride at the Scott Regional Preserve and Park. 4 o'clock, 4:30 in the afternoon. We're gonna go stop by one of our trail cameras first. River's flooded.
River's flooded?
Yeah, you just go about 100 yards and it's, unless you want to get with your feet wet.
No.
It's flooded up to the bridge and then it's okay after that. I was out there 2 weeks ago with knee highs on.
This is our first time in here.
It's muddy.
All right, end 2.5 miles. Does that end like at the end of Dallas Road down there, or?
About an hour's drive, even with the e-bikes.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and some of it's flooded too. Yeah, you go. I just came back over there. I was checking a little tributary, and that's not too bad. You can cross that, and then you veer off to the right, and eventually that hooks up with the power line. There's a shelter there, and you can probably take that power line all the way back to Dallas Road. Yeah, it's a half hour to sunset, so.
Yeah, we'll probably go right here to the river or to the flood. Probably turn back around. What we gonna do there? Thanks, sir.
You betcha.